To our guest of honor, Pastor Joey Bonifacio, thank you. School Director, Pastor Manny, and School Principal, Pastor Noel Bicho. To all the parents, guests, friends, and fellow graduates, good morning. I'm supposed to talk to you guys about academic excellence, so I'll start off with a story. Anyways, there was this teenage girl, young, being taught by her mother on how to cook chicken, specifically roast chicken. And she noticed that her mother cut the legs and the wings of the chicken before roasting it. So she goes to her mother and asks, "Mom, why do you cut the legs and the wings of the chicken before you roast it? Is it to make the marinade spread more evenly and make it taste better, or does it make it more presentable?" And then the mother replies, "You know what? I don't really know. I just saw my mom do this, and now I'm just doing it. So why don't you go ask your grandmother?" So sure enough, the daughter goes to the grandmother and she asks, "Grandma, why do you cut the legs and the wings of the chicken before you roast it? Is it to make it taste better or make it look more presentable?" And then the grandmother replies, "You know what? I don't really know. I just saw my mother do it, so I think you should ask your great-grandmother," who was fortunately still alive. And so she goes to the great-grandmother and then asks, "Grandma, why do you cut the legs and the wings of the chicken before you roast it?" Then the grandmother replies, "You know what? When me and my husband just got married, we had a very small oven. So we had to make the chicken smaller to make it fit inside the oven. So what happens now is the teenager can make better tasting and more presentable chicken because she wanted to know why." And same with us. It's not just all about academic excellence, but really about the passion to learn. Because, I mean, look at it. Yeah, they feed you, they spoon feed you, but if you don't have a passion to learn, it's just gonna get in and get out. But if you have a passion to learn, you're gonna go the extra mile, go beyond what your mentors and teachers are teaching you. And above all, we should be excellent even in academics, because our God is excellent. And we are His children, so we must reflect our God. Thank you.
It is now